Today is June 28th, Saturday. We are walking with boys hike again the same Sugarloaf mountain. This is Mr. Ethan. Mr. Ethan, what do you feel today?
I feel good.
Kiran, what do you feel? Today is
You're
walking.
not recording. Oh wait, you are.
Huh?
Well done.
Kiran, what do you feel? Say something on the video. Huh?
I feel air.
You feel air? Of course you feel air. What about Daddy? What do you feel it? I feel good. Okay, we start to walking now. So Ethan, can we go this way today? Which way we going?
Ready?
Which way? Okay, let's go now.
Oh, perfect.
Él sacó como cada partido.
Okay, this is the trail map. So which one we going Ethan today?
So
Hmm.
orange. Wait. So we're like right here. Yeah, we're
Okay.
here.
Okay.
If we go white, it'll take us to the blue trail.
We're taking the red one today.
The red, that's the orange.
Okay, orange.
Yeah, don't we always go this one?
Which one is orange?
We
Oh, I
always
see
go this
orange
one.
right here.
We always go this one.
Okay, let's go that way.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's.
We always go on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fine because it's really confusing.